Most tattoo artists working today under the age of 35 have never actually sterilized a needle. Before the 1990s, artists bought raw, loose needles. They grouped them by hand, soldered them onto bars, and managed the entire preparation process themselves in cramped workspaces alongside their inks and stencils. To clean the reusable metal tubes that held those needles, shops relied on heavy metal autoclaves. The artist would scrub the equipment, load the chamber, and run a high-pressure steam cycle on site to kill off bacteria. The weak link in that workflow is the hollow center of the reusable tube. If an artist cuts a sterilization cycle short, microscopic biofilm can survive the steam and remain inside the metal. This meant the biological safety of the entire shop depended on a tired artist perfectly executing a stringent laboratory procedure multiple times a day for years on end. When you require flawless human consistency in a busy, chaotic art studio, mistakes happen. The equipment worked, but the daily, manual execution was a massive liability. In 1993, manufacturers like California-based Cam Supply began pulling that variable out of the studio entirely. They treated infection control as an engineering problem that needed to be solved off-site. The solution was the pre-sterilized disposable needle. It arrives in a sealed blister pouch featuring a chemical indicator strip and a strict expiration date. This diagram illustrates the industrial sterilization process. To meet International Organization for Standardization rules, like ISO 11135 for ethylene oxide gas, the chemical penetrates the paper backing to neutralize bacteria, reaching a specific sterility assurance level. You know it worked because the indicator strip physically changes color. That color change replaces the old loop of scrubbing, loading, and logging autoclave cycles with a single straight line. An intact pouch with a triggered indicator proves the item is sterile the moment it is opened. The shift to single-use disposables removed the need for the shop to prove its cycle worked. The manufacturer's laboratory had already done the math. As disposable tubes replaced metal ones, the industry compressed the entire setup into a single, unified unit, the modern cartridge system. These cartridges house needles drawn from 304 or 316L stainless steel wire. The wire is precisely ground into specific taper geometries that dictate exactly how the ink is carried and deposited into the skin. This cross-section schematic shows the single most crucial addition of the cartridge era. Right in the center is a flexible safety membrane that separates the needle group from the pen machine itself. As the needle moves up and down rapidly, fluid tries to travel up the drive bar. The membrane acts as a physical barricade, completely blocking ink and blood from entering the motor housing. Today, high-volume Asian factories supply much of the global cartridge market, making this technology affordable for everyone. At the same time, legacy engineering brands maintain the strict in-house validation histories that buyers need for compliance. By combining the needle, the housing, and the internal barrier into one piece, the cartridge acts as a disposable vault, locking away the biological risk. In practice, this simplifies the modern studio baseline. A clean, organized layout of single-use equipment systematically shrinks the shop's error surface, making hygiene a highly efficient routine. But a printed word on a box does not guarantee safety. A manufactured promise requires a documented evidence trail, and the artist is still responsible for auditing that trail before every single tattoo. The non-negotiable checks happen right on the paper backing of the blister pack. The artist must verify the physical seal is intact and confirm that the chemical indicator has changed color before the printed expiration date. Next is hardware compatibility. Cartridges are not universal. The user must verify the drive bar geometry and the grip fit tightly against their specific pen model to ensure a bad seal doesn't pull ink into the machine. Finally, the storage environment matters. Even perfectly validated needles will lose their sterility if they are exposed to heat or high humidity in the supply closet before the seal is broken. Safety in the modern studio rests on the rigorous verification of the invisible engineering built into the tools.